Hi, I'm Chef Isaac from Cuisines by Isaac, and today we're going to discuss how to make Irish soda bread. We need about a cup of this. Go ahead and just pour it in there. So about a cup. Swirl it around. A little bit more. About a cup, pour it in there. I'm going to take about 3 cups of regular white flour. Get in there. It goes right here in the bowl. And we're going to take, it's going to be about 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Put it right in there. Need 3 of them. And we're going to need just 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Goes right in there like that. Then we're going to take about a half teaspoon of salt. Actually, I'm going to pour it over here so we don't get extra salt in there. Okay? And we'll put it in there like that. As for our dry ingredients, we're all set. Those are our dry ingredients.